These are really easy to make. These are my fingerling garlic parm potatoes. All you gotta do for these guys is for every person, buy a half a pound of fingerling potatoes, get your oven hot, 400 degrees, melt together olive oil and butter. When the butter foams, add some garlic, dump that onto a baking sheet. And all you do is shove these into a layer of grated Parmigiano Reggiano in that garlic parm butter, and throw them in the oven for 45 minutes, and then let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes before you break them apart. That helps the starch in the potato connect to the frico, is basically what you're making, to the cooked crispy parm cheese. And then I got a special sauce for my fingerling potatoes, right? It's a balsamic ketchup aioli. So I'm gonna take some ketchup, balsamic drizzle or aged balsamic vinegar, black pepper, little granulated garlic. So this is a chickpea mayo. You can use straight up mayo if you like. I'm gonna mix that together, and that's my dipping sauce for my crispy fingerling potatoes with Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Take a look at those potatoes. Like, that's crazy, right? It's like a crispy, I don't even know what to say, man. You gotta make these potatoes. They will mess you up, but only make them for people you love, because you will have a tough time getting rid of them. And then our special dipping sauce on the side. Touchdown!